Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make this Zulu beaded arrow shaped bracelet, arrow pattern bracelet. This bracelet, you can also use it to make this pattern. You can also use it to make a belt, as long as you know how to do the pattern. So I don't want to waste your time. Let us start with the materials. I have a pair of scissors with me. I have a thread here with me. A thread with me. I have my beads and I have a needle. So you can see, let's jump into the video. So we are going to pick 12 egg yellow beads. After picking the 12 beads, egg yellow beads, I'm going to let them fall, and then I will turn the beads into this direction. Now this is my bracelet. I'm going to turn it in this direction, and I'm going to pick 4 beads, 2 black beads and 2 egg yellow beads. Using my thumb and my index finger, I'm going to count 4 beads, and then I'm going to insert my needle. 1, 2, 3. The 4th bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through the 4th bead, as you can see here. I want it to be very simple, very clear for you guys. That's why I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to pick 3 beads, and those are going to be 3 yellow beads. I'm going to repeat what I've done. I'm going to count 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, kindly insert your needle to pass through. Very simple like that. On the 4th bead, insert your needle to pass through. Very easy. I'm also going to pick 3 beads, 3 egg yellow beads. Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then insert your needle on the 4th bead. Insert your needle on the 4th bead, as you can see here. After that, you're going to turn your bead into this direction, as you can see. I've already turned my bead into this direction. You are going to pick. So when you start a new row, you're supposed to pick 4 beads. And when you're building the bracelet, you pick 3 beads. Am I clear? Yes. So I'm going to pick 4 beads, 2 black and 2 egg yellow beads. So I have with me here 4 beads. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the 3rd bead from down, 1, 2, 3, and on the 3rd bead I'm going to insert my needle. I want you to see very carefully. This is the hard part. Pick 3 beads. 3. For me, I'm going to pick 3 egg yellow beads. I'm following this pattern. 3 egg yellow beads, and then I'm going to count four beads. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead I'm going to insert my needle. Very easy and very, very simple. Pull, I'm also going to pick 3 beads, and then I'm going to count 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead I'm going to insert my needle. I think you're on the right path. Then from this point I'm going to turn my needle to face on the other direction, my bracelet to face on the other direction. As you can see, I'm going to pick, I'm starting a new row, I'm going to pick 4 beads following this pattern of mine that I have here, arrow Zulu beaded bracelet. I've picked 2 black beads and then 2 yellow beads. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. When I start, I pick 4, I count 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. And then on the third bead here, I'm going to insert my needle. Very simple, very easy. To continue, I'm going to pick 3 beads. Those are 3 yellow beads, like that. Count 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth bead, insert your needle to pass through. Pull. To continue, pick 3 beads. Count how many steps? I'm going to count 4 steps. See. Now, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth bead, insert your needle. Very easy and simple. Pull. Turn your bracelet like this. Pick 4 beads. The black bead is used for boundary. The black bead, I'm going to use it for boundary purposes. As you can see here, we have black beads for boundary. What is the next step? I'm going to continue by inserting my needle after skipping 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So when we start, we pick 4, we skip 3 steps. I'm going to pick my 3 egg yellow beads. I started with 4, but I'm picking to continue. I'm building the bracelet. I continue with 3 beads. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead, I want it to be very clear. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through that bead, through the fourth bead, through the fourth bead, the fourth bead. I'm also going to continue by picking 3 egg yellow beads. Count 1, 2, 3. On the fourth bead, insert your needle, turn your bracelet, pick, so here we are going to go with this design. So I've already done 2 here, 4. I have here 4 blacks, so we are going to the next. I want to introduce the next color. I want to introduce the white color. What am I going to pick? I'm going to pick 2 black beads and then 1 white bead, and then one black bead. So we are introducing the white color. We are introducing the white color. So what am I going to do? I'm going to repeat the same process of inserting. I'm going to count. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. And on the third bead, I'm going to insert my needle. So I've introduced a new color. That is white bead, the white bead. And also the boundary. I've started the boundary process. So I'm going to pick 3 egg yellow. And the funny thing with this beading, it's just going to guide you. Which color am I going to put next here? I'm going to put a yellow color, not a white color, not a black color. So I'm going to count from where I started 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I insert my bead. Very simple and very easy. I'm going to continue. I'm going to count. I'm going to pick 3 egg yellow bead, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. So in this direction, we're also going to turn our bracelet like that, and then we are going to introduce our new color. So our new color is still white. I'm going to pick 2 black bead, 1 white bead, and 1 black bead. As you can see, it is very simple. Then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the third bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. So I am introducing a new color, and the color is white color. So to continue, I'm going to continue by adding 3 egg yellow beads. Then I'm going to skip how many beads? 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through that bead. Very easy, very simple. At this point, I want to continue by building my white color. So I'm going to pick 1 black and then 2 white beads. So I'm going to count 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the fourth bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. So I've already shown you how you're going to introduce your new color, and you're going to go how many steps. Ensure that you have 2 black on the other side, and on the third black boundary, you're going to introduce a new color. So that is how we introduce a new color. Are we together? I think that is a very, very simple way to master this thing. So I'm starting a new row. I've already turned my bracelet. I'm continuing. I'm going to pick 2 black and 2 whites. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the third bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. As you can see, to continue, I'm going to pick 2 white beads and 1 black bead. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the fourth bead, I'm going to insert my needle. Very simple, very easy tutorial. I'm not joking with you guys. I'm going to pick 1 black and 2 whites. 1 black and 2 whites. As you can see, guys, we have already finished the first boundary. As you can see, the pattern is being formed. You're going to turn your bracelet, continue by picking 2 black and 2 whites. So you have 4 beads. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to insert your needle to pass through. You're going to insert your needle to pass. Sorry for that. Now everything wants to stack. Everything wants to stack now. You are going to pick 3 white beads to continue, and then you're going to count 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, that will be the white bead, we're going to insert your needle to pass through. So you'll have something like this. Then continue by picking 3 white beads. Count 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, insert your needle. Turn your needle on this direction and continue by picking. Continue by picking 2 black beads and 2 white beads. As you can see, count 1, 2, 3. And insert your needle on the 3rd bead. Continue by picking 3 white beads. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 4th bead. Insert your needle to pass through. To continue, we're going to pick 3 beads. Insert your needle, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert your needle on the 4th bead. Very simple. Turn your bracelet. Pick 2 black beads and 2 white beads. Count 1, 2, 3. Insert your needle. Add 3 beads. Count 4 beads. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 4th bead, insert your needle to pass through. You're going to pick also 3 white beads. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your needle. Then turn your bracelet. So what is going to guide you that you have reached where you want to start a new colored bead? You're going to you are going to see these things. 1, 2, 3. After finishing these 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, you are going to start a new color, and that is color yellow. So I'm going to pick my 2 black, 1 yellow, and 1 black. So I'm introducing a new color. 1, 2, 3, and then I pull, and then continue with the white color. I've already introduced the yellow color, as you can see here. So I'm just continuing with the white color. Count 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, insert your needle to pass through the 4th bead. Where are you going? Pick 3 white bead. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then turn your bracelet. So here you have 3. 1, 2, 3. When you see that you have 3, this pattern here, you have to introduce another color. You have to introduce a new color. So pick 2 black, 1 yellow, and this is how we introduce a new color. 2 black bead, 1 yellow bead, and then 1 black bead. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the 3rd bead, insert your needle to pass through. So we are going to form this pattern here. That's why we are introducing a new color. So I've picked 3 beads. Because of this pattern, I'm going to continue by adding it by picking 3 beads and then counting 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, I will insert my needle to pass through. To continue, I'm going just to pick 1 black and 2 yellow beads. And then I count 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th bead, I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. Then I'm going to turn on this direction, and then I'm going to pick 2 black beads and 2 yellow beads. Very easy. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the 3rd bead, I'm going to insert my needle there to pass through there. And then to continue, I'm going to pick 2 yellow and 1 black bead. Then I'm going to count 4. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th bead, I will insert my needle to pass there. Pick 1 black and then 2 yellow. Then count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 4th bead, insert your needle. I'm just going to repeat the same pattern. As you can see, the pattern is forming up. Yeah. I'll pick 2 black, 2 black, 2 black, and 2 yellow. And then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and on the third bead I'm going to insert my needle to pass through. Then I'm going to pick 3 yellow beads. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth bead, that will be the yellow bead. I'm going to insert my needle, guys, as you can see. Continue. We can continue until the orange one, but this is the same pattern. As long as you know the pattern, guys, you're good to go. You are good to go. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on my videos. Tell me what videos you like to watch. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Comment on the comment section. Engage with me. Follow me. Say something. I want to know you guys. I want to know where you are watching from. Don't skip the ads. Watch my videos. Watch those ads that come on the screen. That is how you need to get more and more videos. That's how I'm paid, by the way. Guys, you need to support me. You need to support your girl. You need to support your girl. Go watch my videos. Comment on my videos. Engage on my videos. Say what you want to, anything that you want. I can, anything that deals with beads and you want me to make for you, to guide you, you can tell me. You can tell me. So at this point, if you need part 2 of this video, comment on the comment section. Part 2, so that we can add more and more colors. We can add more and more colors to this, for this pattern. Bye guys.